How to make money with ChatGPT AI. For this, you'll be needing ChatGPT and Fever. So let's explore the topic translating here. So search for translating service here, and if you scroll down there, you can see there are quite a job of translating that earns very good. So you might wonder how ChatGPT can help in this. Don't worry, let me explain to you really quick. All you have to do is you need an article, and all you have to write in is translate this into a particular language. For an example, I'm choosing Korean here. Now if you give it a tap, it will automatically start translating into the designated language. Right now, as you can see, it is translating it into Korean. So now all I have to do is just copy this translated passage or article and paste it in my doc, and then upload it to the Fever website and earn some good money. So this is one of the brilliant source of income for your day-to-day life. Hopefully you will give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.